Hey everyone, my name's Kieran Hogg, and I'm going to do a review on Viper. So what is Viper? We're going to discuss that. We're going to discuss some of the benefits of it. We're going to look into some bonuses that I'm going to be offering you as well. And we're going to do a deep dive. I've got review access, so we're going to play around with some of the features as well. So stick around. We've got lots of great things just heading your way. Cheers. Okay everyone, so Viper, what is it? Well, in a nutshell, it says Viper, the world's first TikTok traffic robot. Okay, so as you all know, TikTok over the last few years has exploded in popularity, right? Especially amongst young people. You've got obviously Instagram, Facebook, and a few other ones, but TikTok is quickly coming up into the ranks with those guys. So it's becoming a much more powerful and popular tool. So Viper is going to help people who want to advertise on TikTok. It's going to help them really be able to get their name out there, get more traffic, and use other people's videos in an automated fashion. It's all done for you. So if you don't want to be in front of the camera, no problem. You can use all the famous people, celebrities, and any other influencer to use their videos for you to create traffic for you. So before we get into the deep dive on Viper, first I want to show you my bonus page that if you guys think that Viper might be a product that you might like, well, I've got some bonuses that I think you're also really going to like as well. So if we just go up to the top here, as we can see, we've got a countdown. So we've got just a little over 2.5 days if you want to get these bonuses before this timer expires, okay? So let's first just go down here. So one of my bonuses here for $149.95, this is the magnet attractor, the traffic magnet attractor. This is going to help you find more traffic. It's going to give you some strategies and some really cool ideas that I use to help get more traffic. Okay, so this is going to be free for you if this is something that you like. Okay, also we've got bonus number 2, find high sales customers with Viper using this formula. So this is going to help you target those customers who have shown interest in a product, how you can laser focus back to those and retarget with these customers. So your popularity, your probability to have a customer is much higher, a customer that's going to be buying something, okay? So this is going to walk you through how you do that. Now my third bonus, okay, is the easy way to get more traffic with Viper using this strategy. Now this is kind of with IG, with Instagram, but you'll see when we do our deep dive into the functions of TikTok. They've also got other functions that also relate with Facebook and Instagram. So you're able to really blanket the whole mass media, social media umbrella. And these tips that I use for Instagram are also going to help you with TikTok, okay? And my fourth bonus is become an affiliate ninja with Viper using these guidelines, with these guides. All right, so I'm going to give you some insights of some strategies that I use to help me gain more traffic and also help get more sales as well. So this is also going to be free if you decide to purchase Viper on, and if you go through my affiliates, okay? And finally, the vendor is going to give you some bonuses as well, okay? So all of these are going to be located down in the link in the description of my video, okay? So if you go over here, you're going to see, okay, just access it right here, the traffic magnet method, boom. Okay, all the videos, all the bonuses are all down here. Find high sales customers with Viper using this formula here, this one here, and your vendor bonuses all here. Okay, so let's learn a little bit more about Viper and if it's going to be right for you, okay? Okay, so like I said, Viper, the world's first TikTok traffic robot. Okay, so let's learn a little bit more. Okay, so AutoPilot traffic in 30 seconds. Latest TikTok traffic app, yes. Taps into 50 million daily visitors. Wow, okay. Created for newbies. So this is very, very easy. It's all automated. They've got their templates already up there. You just have to put in what you want and set the time that you want. It's very, very simple. Okay, quit your job and be your own boss. Travel life. Enjoy life and be free. Now it has a 365-day money back guarantee. So if this is something that you want to try and for some reason it's not quite what you want, then you can get your money back. Sounds pretty good. Okay, now get results or we'll send you $500. So these guys are literally putting the money where their mouth is. They're so confident that they say, okay, we're going to pay you if you can't get good traffic with this and good results. Interesting. Okay, so let's look into it. Okay, so this is what the dashboard looks like. Okay, so now we're going to do a review. You've got your TikTok video downloads, your hashtag, and your TikTok automation campaigns here. Okay, now if we go to TikTok video maker, see down on the left here, you've got all different kinds of access. So we've got trending videos, so all the videos right now that people have made that are getting the most excitement, getting the most views are showing up right here. You've got search, popular, latest, celebrities, hashtags, and music. So you can take all of these videos and use them as your own. You can edit them. You've got many different editing tools here. Okay, we've got video downloads. So the videos that you make, you download and you store them down here. Okay, trending hashtags. Okay, so you can really customize. So for example, money. Okay, so you can put down different hashtags for different things here. Okay, TikTok automation. So they've got, like I said, the templates are already here for you. You got automation template, automation campaign. So you just click on this, put in the information that you want, boom, it's ready to go. Social blast. So this allows you to send it out to multiple different social medias. So you've got your big ones, your Facebook Messenger, your Twitter, Pinterest, and you've just got a plethora of different apps down here that you can really just launch your brand, get more traffic, get more eyes on your work, which is going to, just by probability and percentage, increase your sales. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You've got a lot of access to new eyes with this function here. Also, you got generate backlinks, so you can create some better SEO. You can give yourself a better, higher standing in the rankings. And also, yeah, we've got connect Facebook and Instagram, so you're essentially combining the top 3 social medias and all in one just by automation here. Okay, so you're really being able to launch a lot of content to a lot of people, again, all automatically. Okay, Facebook posting, again, multimedia post, CTA post, carousel video post, okay? Instagram posting, and again, down here you can see automation, so you can set it when you want, reach who you want, okay? Link cloaking, okay. So as you know, some of these links that affiliate marketers use, they can be quite ugly, bulky, and it's not very clean. So you can shorten them here, customize them here, make them look a little sharper, a little more professional. Okay. Website comparison, so you can check out analytics from one website to another website. Okay, and also up at the top here, if you're in the weeds about anything, they offer training. Hold on, let's try that again. Yeah, so also, if you're having trouble with anything, if you just decide to buy this and you're not sure about something, you've got tutorials here, you've got help, you've got dashboard, you've got all this stuff here that they're going to walk you through and help you figure out how to do this even better, okay? Okay, so now we can talk about the price. We can see what they're offering here. So we'll just go down and okay, some more features here. The world's first TikTok traffic robot. Dozens of high quality features. We've seen some of them already. First to market software. First click, TikTok Video Maker, built-in TikTok audience growth tools. Find hot offers directly from the app, tutorials, case studies, support, and more. Now, the front end of this is $17, okay? Now, this will change slightly, so let's just read here, and there's an early bird price detail here. So the cart opens sharp at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, which is just in a couple of hours here, and the front end price will be $17. Now this will increase slightly right here. The price will increase by 1 cent every 60 minutes, so a slight increase, very, very slight. Okay, the final front end price will continue to increase indefinitely. Okay, so if this is something you want and you want to get the absolute rock bottom price, you want to do this as soon as you can. Now here it is. So front end is $17. Okay, that is first TikTok traffic robot, unlimited free buyer traffic. Okay, now the upsell, $39 here. Okay, well, what is it? The unlimited edition of Viper has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. So you're getting more guidance, more automation. Like I say, very easy, simple for newbies if this is something that you're just trying out right now. Upsell number 2, done for you edition at $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. So this is almost entirely done for you. So you just pay a little bit of money, $197, and then they do the work for you basically. Upsell number 3, Viper automated edition, $39. Customers will be able to activate all the automation tools with Viper. That sounds good. Upsell 4, done for you templates, club, $39. You get 200 customizable video templates that they use with Viper. Okay, and upsell, the 5th one, 50 click and go campaigns for $39. We'll give your customer 50 proven TikTok campaigns that they copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. I like some of these upsells. I like the upsell number 1 actually. Okay, so you get more templates. You also get the added additional tutorials that can guide you to how you can do this and be more efficient with it. I also like the upsell number 4, 200 customizable video templates that they will use with Viper. That's not bad. Also the upsell number 5 is good too. So if I were to do this, I would probably go with upsell number 1, number 4, or number 5. I think you're going to get good value with that. Also the free tutorial is really going to help as well. Okay, so again, if you do like this product, you want to try Viper, if you just click on any of these pink buttons here, you'll be able to access my bonus videos as well, my bonus strategies and guides and help, just like this, these videos, these buttons. Okay, Viper is a product by Billy Darr. He's also in this with these two gentlemen, Finn and Justin, but Billy Darr has a good reputation, so I think this proves that this is going to be another good product. Okay, so with that being said, you guys, I hope you learned something about this video. I will have also a demo video in the description below on my description, and I will have my bonuses. If that's something that you like, if you like this video and you think these bonuses can help you, that'll also be in the description. Enjoy your day, and please stay tuned for more good videos. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I hope to give you more good content in the near future. Thank you very much. This is Kieran Hogg signing off. Cheers.